there she goes. Goddamn. We are out here at Best Buy just trying to find a nice radio for the Civic there. I think we're looking for a double din just because they have that spot.
I'm at Best Buy.
Yes, you're at Best Buy.
Install it here.
Hey, look, we got a radio. No, we should go home.
What?
You're in fifth gear? That's more like a...
I'm in, you stupid bitch!
What the? So we're out here installing the radio now. I've got some of the harness wired up. I'm lazy with it, so I always use electrical tape. Just trying to figure out how the brackets fit, and then we're just gonna slap that bitch in there and call it a day. This is a mess. We tried to install the radio, and it turns out that the harness that we got didn't work. So we went to AutoZone, bought another harness. That didn't work, so we returned it, which is good because we did it right in front of AutoZone. And then after that, we were like, well, now what? So we're just gonna go return all the shit we just bought. Everything successfully returned. Now we sit here at Applebee's and wait for our food. Good morning. I am dropping off the Evo here at Kingston Auto Styling. You guys already know. Yeah, I'm getting full tint on this thing, and Mateo's here, so I gave him the keys. We are headed over to Yakima for work, so I will catch you guys in a couple days with the Evo. So I did not record much yesterday because it was just driving across the pass and all that. I am now in Yakima. This is day 2, tomorrow's day 3, and then we head back. I got myself some Lunchables. I love myself some Lunchables. I'm not even gonna lie, like as a quick snack, as a quick food, perfect. But yeah, heating up some chili mac right now as well. Got my laptop and everything, doing some work here. But yeah, it's a pretty nice little hotel studio kind of hotel thing that they have going on here. Here's my bed. It's a mess, but nice little bathroom and everything, so it's pretty tight. I'm enjoying it. That's a tumbleweed. Oh, yep, there she tumbles. What the oh, I found a couple more. There's a couple of tumbleweeds out here. I am back from Yakima, and I hear the car that's supposed to come pick me up. He's down there. See if we can see him. Ooh, turbo sounds. My guy. My fucking guy. Ain't no fucking way, dude. Look at these boys all strapped up. These motherfuckers. Can't even start your own damn car. Where's yours, Carlo? Where's yours? Uh-oh. That's not good. Oh, fuck. I'm back, baby. Yeah, so unfortunately we could not get any of the windows tinted just because he doesn't have the cutouts for any of these. So it turns out that we're just gonna either have to hand cut it, or I think that's the only option at this point. I actually don't know what other option there would be. I don't mind having the fishbowl. It's just that, you know, when people are coming up to your car and seeing stuff in your car, they can see it really easily, and I just don't want to have like my backpack in there and people like crack my windshield open or any of my windows open or anything like that. So yeah. Yo, we're out here taking some video or some photos right now. We got the 2 Evos and then the Jenny. I'm gonna move this branch. She's gonna try to get up in here. It'll be interesting. We'll see what happens. He's low as fuck. You're good. You'll make it. Dude, all day. That's easy. It's just grass.